Yes, it's the fucking devil. Go for your ideal woman. That's exactly what you're saying. That's exactly what you're saying. If you like, come here, bitch. That's exactly what you're saying. You're misogyning me. I heard you. You don't need to fucking ignorance then say that. Fucking stupid, dumbass, useless ass nigga.
She's a fucking stupid, dumbass, useless.
Bye,
The Big Brother Naija 2021 edition took a new twist on Sunday evening as 3 housemates from the 5 housemates that were put up for possible eviction got evicted from the show, while 4 new housemates were introduced into the house. Later that night, the housemates decided to play a truth or dare game in which Angel was asked to pick a guy of her choice and kiss him. She went on to pick and kiss KV, who happens to be amongst the new housemates. Sammy, who is her prospective boyfriend in the house, challenged Angel the next day, clearly stating his dissatisfaction on her decision in kissing KV due to the fact that he is a new housemate, and also accused her of jumping from one guy to another in the house. Angel, who was furious with Sammy's accusation towards her, responded by telling him to leave her alone and go and date his ideal woman. She also revealed her reason for picking KV, clearly stating that she picked and kissed KV on Sammy's best interest, as she felt kissing any of the old male housemates might provoke him.